of Parliament and the members of Parliament for granting me opportunity to speak for well over 2 hours. Today, in a nutshell, was a day that is provided in our statutes, in our laws. Public Finance Management Act of 2012 clearly spells out understanding orders that every year the Cabinet Secretary will speak to the people of Kenya and spell out revenue raising measures and budget highlights, and that is exactly what I've done today. In a summary, apart from the normal prescription of what should be spoken to or should be submitted, which is the expenditure estimates and revenue estimates, I also went ahead to pronounce myself to various policy changes that are likely to be put in place to help in improvement of not only our financial management system, but also to spur economic growth. If you listen to me clearly, this speech was heavy on reforms, and this is not for nothing. People of Kenya have been saying we are collecting enough taxes, we are collecting enough revenue, but how it is applied is a question. And we have proposed a raft of amendments, a raft of policy proposals, which would then radically change the management of public resources. I think in a nutshell, that is what I would talk about, because again, Kenyans have the finance bill, Kenyans have had budget estimates for well now close to 2 months. So unless there are questions, yes.
My name is streamlining public utilities in terms of savings, how much is the government